Looking for the perfect note taking app? Today we're comparing Logseq and Zetler, two powerful tools for knowledge management. But which one's right for you? So let's break it down. Whether you're a student, researcher, or productivity nerd, you've probably heard about Logseq and Zetler. Both are great, but they're made for different workflows. Let's break it down. First, Logseq is a bidirectional outliner style note taking app built around daily notes and linked thinking. It's great for connecting ideas and building a second brain. It's open source, local first, and markdown based, meaning your data is yours. Plus, the graph view, perfect for visual thinkers. But it's not ideal for long form writing or academic research. And the learning curve, a bit steep if you're new to outliners or network thought. Zettler, on the other hand, is built for writers and researchers. It supports Zettelkasten style notes, references, citations with Zotero, and distraction free writing. You can manage large research projects in plain text with support for LaTeX, footnotes, and more. But it doesn't have the same note linking and graph features as Logseq. And while it's powerful, it's not as intuitive out of the box. So, which one wins? Use Logseq if you want to think in connections, capture daily thoughts, and grow a knowledge graph. But choose Zettler if you're writing long essays, managing academic sources, or need structured research workflows. The bottom line, Logseq is your idea gardener. Zettler is your academic powerhouse. Choose based on how you think and what you write. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!